What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional web application automatically with zero coding experience. Let's get started. To build our web application, we're going to use this tool called base44.com. It's an incredible tool that you can use to build any web applications or AI agents. In our video, we like to build a fully functional web application. So here, all you have to do is to describe the web application that we like our tool to create for us. Here you can upload images right here or screenshots that you like the tool to use. You can also connect various tools like Stripe, Gmail, Google Sheet, Google Calendar, Drive, LinkedIn, and so many others to include to your web application. You can choose the model that you like to use right here. And then over here, you can choose to plan first before it starts to build it. Then down below here, you can preview the various templates that have been built by your team. This is incredible. You can also click on templates right here to preview various templates, different categories you like to build right here that have been built over here. This is incredible right here. So now if you find that you're interested in a certain template, you can click on it and then go ahead and use the template right here. Then it will go ahead and clone the template, and you can add your own features to the tool, to the template right here. But we're going to start by building our app from scratch. So here we're going to describe the app that we like to create. So I'll copy and paste our prompt right here. And here I'm going to hit send for it to create our web application for us. So here we're going to give it a few seconds for it to create our web application for us. You can see it's building our app. So in the prompt, we told it to create our web application solution for a local dental practice that includes a public website and a built-in patient CRM system for managing appointment requests and patient inquiries. The first app is the public dental practice website that the users will use. Then the second app is the dashboard that we're going to use as a dental practice. Yeah, and then we're going to more details on the design, website content, workflow automation, data structure, and how we like our website to look, the various pages right here. So let's give it a few seconds for it to complete building our dental app for us. As you can see right here. So here you can see it successfully built our web application for us right here. This is incredible. You can see the clean website that is generated for us over here. It's a dental clinic website. So it built the public website right here, then went ahead and built the CRM dashboard on the back end right here. See through all the pages right here. And then for the public website it contains the homepage, service page right here, service page right here, what we offer. See, so generated very incredible and beautiful looking images. This is really incredible. See the about section right here. It's even including doctors on site. This is really incredible here. And how we can book an appointment right here. This is really incredible. Then let us preview the dashboard. We're going to just open the dashboard right here. And here you can see our dashboard. So now this is what the dental clinic will be saying. You can see the total requests right here, new inquiries, scheduled, and urgent or emergency right here. And here you can see the recent requests. These are the patients that have scheduled an appointment on our website. Here, see the name and the email address right here, type, preferred date, status, and urgency. You can view all right here to view all the patients for the day. Here you can search them by their name, email, or phone number. All their status is right here, or I can see right here. This is really incredible. So our dashboard is fully functional. We're going to test it later on to see if it is fully functional by booking an appointment right here, and then heading over to the dashboard right here to see if it will have logged in our request. This is incredible. Click on the appointments. Here we're getting all the requests for the day. This is really incredible. So it successfully builds our beautiful looking site, the dental clinic. Did all these incredible design, generated the beautiful images, put all these different pages right here for us. It's beautiful images. Included the about section right here with the doctors in the clinic and a way to book an appointment for patients. This is incredible. So it successfully did that just by including the prompt right here. This is incredible. To publish your site, all you have to do is just click on publish right here. Then here you can edit your URL to ensure the one that you'd like. So here you can call it Bright Smile Dental Care. Call it Bright Smile Dental. Change. Choose and then here you can click on change. And then now here you can publish our app. You can see we successfully published our app and it's live. So now we can copy this URL and open the URL to a new tab to preview our site. So here you can see our comprehensive sites here. It's generated for us over here. See the services we offer right here. This is incredible. This is the about section over here. And here's how patients can book an appointment with us by filling this request form right here. Let us try filling the request form right here. Also add date of birth right here. Appointment type, we can say teeth whitening. Can go with Dr. Suera. Preferred date, you can choose tomorrow, time 1 p.m. Reason. I'd like to whiten my teeth. Patient type, I am a new patient. Agency, you can say urgent. Here you can just add a provider. And here we'll click on submit our request. You can see our request was received. We go back to our dashboard. See our recent request right here. Click on appointments. Here you can see our recent appointment requests right here. This is incredible. Here you can see over here, this is incredible. So here's our name and our email. Type is teeth whitening, preferred date and status and agency right here. This is incredible. It also includes our request right here, queries, and if it's urgent right here. This is incredible. Now here you can include the various sections or items to your site here. So all you have to do is just can tell it to include the items right here. So here you can tell it to maybe include a calendar, automated email reminders, Kanban board, or various sections right here, like maybe pricing section, testimonials, community section, etc. You can just continue telling it to include the items right here, then hit enter, and our AI tool will include the sections your site right here. This is incredible. So now that we've built our dental care web application, we can try building a new web application using our tool. So here I've pasted these comprehensive prompts to build our web application. For local real estate agency, I'm going to hit enter. Here you can see the comprehensive prompt that we're using to create our web application. Let's give it a second for it to generate our web application for us. So here you can see successfully built our new web app right here. Look how beautiful the web app is. It was for a local real estate agency. Look how beautiful that is. It's very incredible, beautiful looking images. So here is what is in the public website. The hero section right here. Properties here. Or we can sell our properties right here, filling in the form. The about page right here. Incredible images. These agents. And the contact page right here. This is really incredible. Now, you can see the login page here. Page to register and create an account right here. If we forgot our password, we can open this page right here. You can see how we can reset our password. Here, you can see the properties page right here, as we previewed earlier. And let's preview the dashboard. Just open the CRM right here. You can see the dashboard right here. New leads, with the new leads, active leads, closed deals, and active listings. Here you can see the recent leads. You can see them right here. And here you can see our properties listed in our dashboard right here. This is incredible. This is awesome. You can include more items to our web app by telling our tool to include the items right here. But I love it the way it is as of now. Like we did with our dental clinic web app. You can try publishing the web app. To do that, I just click on publish right here. You can edit the URL right here. Edit the name. Click change. And you can see our URL was updated. Now here, just hit publish up to publish it. You can see how it was published and it's now live. Just opened the site on a new tab to open our app. Here you can see now our full web application that we created using our tool. Very beautiful looking web app. You can see the featured properties. We can sell our properties right here. The about page right here. They are with the agents. Now to send a message right here. So we can try property type. You can say it's an apartment. Dress, bedrooms. You can say 2-3 bathrooms. Here you can submit our form. When we open our dashboard and refresh it, here you can see the client, our new record right here. Here's the name and our email address, property, and the status. You can also see the agent and the date right here. Click on leads, you can see our client name right here. This is incredible. Now we can do the same with properties. We can choose to add the property right here, and it should be featured right here, like we were featured here in our lead management page. This is incredible. This is awesome. So this is how you can build a fully functional web application automatically using our tool right here. Here. Thank you for watching. So now, if you'd like help creating a beautiful looking web application similar to this one, or automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help build the web application for you or automate those manual tasks for your business or your agency. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.